Yeah, so I'm expecting a full recovery. It's gonna heal up real nice. Just like new. It is now time to pull another 302. Question is, how fast can I do it? The motor is out. There's the motor. There's the truck. Look, no motor. Whoa. This life got you down in the dumps. Are you just overwhelmed with projects? Are you tired of making lemonade with all your lemons? Well, let me tell you. Me too. Okay, so we pulled the heads off. Or I pulled the heads off. As you can see, they're okay. There's a lot of gasket sealer in the cylinders. We're not going to worry about that. But this guy right here, it rocks back and forth. There's definitely some piston slap going on in that bad boy. And if you see, when you roll it over, just drop that bad boy right back down. It has scratched the cylinder wall. Just a little right there. You can't see it too much. But if you feel it, you can feel the grooves. So she is slapping. Like that one's good.
Very taut. Normal movement. This one on the other hand.
Does she ever just jiggle?
It literally rocks.
So I'm trying to take this 302 to the machine shop, and kind of forgot that I had to tear it down to a short block. So I did that. And I also had to take a half day off work. So like I'm kind of in a time crunch. So here I am, tearing 302s apart. And then go to drive this thing to Kamloops. And the clutch dealy right here, my external slave, just decides to just give out. So this rod right there, so you can see, it used to go through here and I had a jam nut on this side. Rod sheared off, couldn't adjust my clutch properly, so I didn't have time to make a whole new rod, so I took a nut and I welded another nut to it and then I beveled it so it sits in that cup there and that'll hold it in. And yeah, now I'm going to try and drive to Kamloops. Tighten up this jam nut and clutch is set. Hopefully she holds. Yeah, so I just did a little carb tuning on my uncle's old big bore chainsaw. Not really sure what it is, but it's kind of running like shit and I couldn't get it to run. But now it's running alright. And it's pretty sweet.